What's up, guys, and welcome to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, tons of content coming your way. That'll notify you anytime there is new content live here on the channel for you to view. So I talk about Cardano on my channel a lot. I find the chain very, very interesting. There's tons of innovative stuff going on, and it has a chance for extreme growth and potential for the future to come. Now, what's pretty cool is that Cardano has actually just gotten a new use case, and I want to kind of share that with you guys. So Cardano is set to roll out digital IDs for 5 million students and 750,000 teachers in Ethiopia. Now, why is this a big deal, right? Why do we really care? That's always the question I like to ask people, okay? I always want to make sure that when I bring you guys an article, that it is something worth talking about. It's not this fluff piece, okay? So they reached an agreement, okay? And what they decided, again, is the 5 million students and the 750,000 teachers across 3,680 schools are going to get these digital IDs. Now, why this is important is because there has been issues with fake diplomas and dishonesty and stuff like that as far as the academic programs in Ethiopia have gone. And what this is going to allow them to do is authorities, employers are going to be able to access these IDs to verify academic credentials. Now, there does have to be obviously a good system in place in order for this information to be tracked in a good, fast, and efficient way. Okay. And Cardano seems like it is going to be the system to be able to do that. Now, Cardano just underwent a huge change, and that is the Vassal hard fork. So if you're not familiar with that, what that did was it actually made the network faster, more scalable, cheaper to transact on. Okay, that's actually what just rolled out on September 27th is the Plutus Cost 2 model. Okay, I hope I'm not using too many big words for you guys, but what that meant is that the cost of transactions and smart contracts on the chain itself just got less expensive. So it got less expensive for you or someone else to interact with the blockchain. Okay. This is very important stuff. So it does make Cardano more scalable and more affordable to use. Now, because of this, there are tons and tons of projects that have been waiting for this Vassal hard fork to launch so they could, get in on this new era of the network. And now, because this is launched, here is their chance to do so. So it's very cool stuff. And I always like to mention this little bit of information. So Cardano has actually had one of the fastest growing networks as of late. Okay, there's more development currently for Cardano than there are for other chains, and that is Ethereum included. Now, Ethereum is obviously the largest chain in the network. It's got the most smart contracts, the most projects, stuff like that, right? But innovation right now is being geared towards Cardano, which is very cool. And as by this article, from what you've read and heard and listened to, it seems like that is the case and will continue to be so for the foreseeable future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the article. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys took something positive away, learned something here. If you guys haven't already, again, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Take care, guys.